Are you excited? I am. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen cooking something for you. What am I cooking? I'm cooking a talk about test automation. More specifically about test automation framework. We're gonna talk about what, why, and the most important, how. Now, after I pitch my talk a little bit, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Karaman and I've been in testing or quality related roles for more than 16 years now. Yes, I'm that old. I live in Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. You might know this country as New Zealand, and I'm gonna fly across the globe to talk to you, dear TestBash attendee. But this is not all. The cherry on the cake is my activity and my workshop. At the workshop, we're gonna build a pipeline to run your tests in the cloud, and the activity will be about the code smells. So, if you haven't got your TestBash ticket yet, what are you waiting for? It's going to be epic, fun, educational, interesting, challenging, awesome! See you at the TestBash.